Good evening students, application of trigonometry 2. In the previous two videos I have given you all the basics and then sums. Now in the third video, the important board questions which I am moving on. So please see the video and see the sum very carefully. Question number 12 exercise. From the top of a 7-meter building, the angle of elevation on the top of a tower cable is 60 degree and the angle of depression is 45 degree. The first sum which involves the angle of depression, so please be very careful. Okay, there is a building. Okay. So AB in the diagram also I am writing AB 7 meter. There is a tower. CD is a tower. This is the base of the ground level. This is 7 and this one also will be 7 meter. I'll keep it this one E. From this building I am seeing the top of a tower. CD is a top of a tower. The top of a tower is 60 degree they given you. Okay, 60 degree I given you, and this one I will draw in the different color, or it will be from here. Angle of depression usually you draw in the dotted marks. If the angle of depression is 45 degree, this is 45 degree. Now automatically this also will be 45 degree. I have given the reason in the introduction video itself. Alternate interior angles, because these two lines are parallel lines. Okay, so now what they have to find out? We have to find out the height of a tower. So let me move on directly. So there are two cases, again two cases. First one, triangle, wherever 45 comes, use that one. So therefore in triangle ABD, case 2, in triangle AEC, okay. Yes, so in triangle ABD, so this is A, this is B, this is D. Angle is 45 degree. You can use this triangle. Angle of depression you can utilize the alternate interior angle triangle in the triangle use pannalam. This is 45 degree, this is 7 meter. This theriyadu. Apana tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Tan 45 equal to opposite side 7 upon BD. So tan 45 1 equal to 7 upon BD. So cross multiply panna BD equal to 7 meter. Apana this one is 7 meter now. This one also 7 meter. 7. Upon number triangle case 2. Therefore I can use case 2 in triangle AEC. So I will draw the triangle separately. This is C, this is E, this is A, and this one is 60 degree. AE value is 7 meter, CE value theriyadu. So again, tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So tan 60 equal to CE theriyadu. This is 7. Tan 60 root 3 equal to CE by 7. Cross multiply panna 7 root 3 equal to CE. CE the height of a tower kadayadu. Total. CE value another 7 root 3. For total, therefore, the final line is height of a tower. Height of a tower another 7 root 3 plus 7. When 7 a common add root 3 plus 1 meter. 13th question. Therefore, 13th question. As observed from the top of a 75 meter high lighthouse, okay? Lighthouse question. From a sea level, the angle of depression of two ships for both the points are angle of depression are 30 and 45 degree. If the one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of a lighthouse, find the distance between two ships. So find the distance between two ships, for example. So first one, lighthouse. Question number 13, there is a lighthouse. Imagine this one as a, so AB is the height of a lighthouse. Height of a lighthouse. This is 75 meter. They given in the question itself. What is the use of lighthouse? You know that to give the direction to the ships. There are two ships. One is at this point, other one is the same side. So angle of depression. This is the line of sight which are given in the introduction video itself. One angle is 45 degree now. Automatically this angle also will be 45. And one more ship. If this angle is, if this is 60 degree now, this also will be 60 degree. Angle of depression they given you very clearly. 60 degree 30 degree. தூரமா இருக்கும்போது 30, கிட்டக்க போக போக 45. So what they're asking us to find out. Find the distance between two ships. Ship number 1, ship number 2, solution. Distance between, so you can keep it as AB, CD. They're asking you CD value. Wherever 45 degree, use that triangle first. So case 1, in triangle ABC, draw the triangle. Give the client to the teacher. Okay, this is 45, this is 75, 45 degree. Okay, so tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So I got tan 45 equal to, this is 75 upon BC. Tan 45 value 1. If you cross multiply, you get BC equal to 75 meter. You can apply BC value 75 wherever it's required. Go for the bigger triangle. Here's to bigger triangle A, B, D. Okay, so bigger triangle. This is 75 is given. I'll mark it out. This is C. So again, tan this degree is 30 degree, right? So tan 30 degree is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite value 75, adjacent value BD. BD value you can, BC plus CD is called as BD. Tan 30 value 1 upon root 3 equal to 75 upon BD can be written as C BC plus CD. BC value is 75. So if you cross multiply, once cross multiply, now you will get BC plus CD equal to 75 root 3. Here BC value I can apply 75. And finally I got CD equal to 75 root 3 minus 75 meter. Or you can take 75 as a common, root 3 minus 1 into meter. Question number 14. 1.2 meter tall girl. Okay, 1.2 meter tall girl is the same like a boy. 1.2 boy sum, which I have given you in the first, I think first some 6 or 7 sums. I don't know which sum. Okay, so 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon. Height of a girl is 1.2 meter. Spots a balloon moving it like a, I think some, which sum I have given you, a tall. Okay, 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at the height of 88.2 from the ground level. It is 88.2 meter. Okay, if the angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl is 60 and then after 30, so which one will be 60 and which one will be okay. So now question number this is question number 14, right? So question number 14, a girl is standing. Okay, so the girl height is 1.2 meter. I'll keep it as this one A, this is B, this is 1.2 meter tall. This is the ground level. From here there is a, what they given you, balloon. Okay, from the eyes seeing first balloon, from the eyes she is seeing second balloon. The total height from the ground level, total height, we'll keep it as this is C, D, E. Total height is 88.2. From the ground level 88.2. The girl height is 1.2. Now this is 1.2 meter. Apna total வந்து 88.2. Adala 1.2 already gone. Appa remaining will be 87. So the remaining will be 87 meter. Next, I given you angle very clearly. So the angle is, one is, so the angle is 60 and 30. So what is 60 and which one is 60, which one is 30? So 88.2, the longer, the length one is, so I can give this one, okay. The length one is 30 degree and the near one is 60 degree, and we can get F. I repeat again, a girl 1.2 meters standing on the ground. Total height of the balloon from the ground to the balloon is 88.2. Already 1.2 is gone. Upper remaining will be 88.2 minus 1.2 na 87. From கொஞ்சம் தூரமா இருக்கிறத பார்த்தா, that is புரியுதா, இது வந்து தூரமா இருக்குது. Okay, so the length வந்து 30 degree, கிட்டக்க வந்து 60 degree. what we have to find out? We have to find the height of a find the distance traveled by the balloon during the travel. So distance traveled by the balloon. So you have, they're asking you GD value, they're asking you. I hope some correct. So case 2, case 1, case 2. Case 1. First, we'll take a small triangle, no problem. So in triangle AGF. So draw the AGF. So F, G, A, and this angle is 60 degree. We don't know the GF. Or we know the GF, yes. So this is CD is 87 now. Automatically FG value is 87 now because there's 2 hours flight. They are going in the same. Okay, 87. So what is it? So tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Tan 60 value √3 equal to FG upon AG. So cross multiply. So you get AG √3 equal to FG. Keep it as somewhere. Next, case 2. So case 2 will get AG √3. AG value is, FG value is, you know FG value is 87, right? So you can apply FG is 87. So therefore 87. So AG equal to 87 upon √3 meter. If you rationalize the denominator now, so AG equal to 87 upon √3 into √3 upon √3. So AG equal to 87 √3 upon 3. So AG equal to 3 table. If you cancel, I'll get 229 √3 meter. AG value I found. Now case 2. Case 2 is a 30 degree diagram. Okay. So draw the diagram separately. So C, D, A. So this is 30 degree. This is 87. And center mark, I will mark it as G. Okay. AG value. We know that already AG value. Therefore, finally I got, therefore tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Tan 30 degree equal to 87 upon AD na AG plus GD da AD. So tan 30 value 1 upon √3 equal to 87 upon AG value ஏற்கனவே தெரியும் உனக்கு 29 √3 plus GD value தெரியுமா தெரியாது. இதுதான் क्वेश्चनல கேக்குறது, distance between the two balloons. So cross multiply பண்ணு. 29 √3 plus CD equal to 87 √3. So CD equal to 87 √3 minus 29 √3. Therefore finally I got CD equal to, so finally the final answer is 58 √3. 58 √3 meter. Question number 15. Okay, so question number 15. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. Okay, ஒரு highway இருக்கு, அந்த டவரை நோக்கி அந்த footway போகுது. A man standing at the top of a tower. அந்த டவருக்கு மேல ஒருத்தன் நின்னுட்டு இருக்காப்ல. அங்க வந்து ஒரு கார் போகுது. Okay, very good. So question number 15. A man stands on the top of a tower. இங்க இருக்காப்ல அந்த man. Okay, this is said to be tower. இங்க அந்த கார் போயிட்டு இருக்கு. அப்போ from the top to the bottom, அப்போ என்ன நீ சொல்லு பாப்போம்? From the top to the bottom. அப்போ அதுக்கு பேரு angle of depression. Yes, angle of depression is தூரமா 30, and then opposite foot of the tower which uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Okay, wow. So I line of sight, angle of depression, and this one also angle of depression. Okay, mark it as A. Already marked as AB, C, D. So this one will be, this is 30 degree now. Durma irukkudu. Okay, 30 degree, and this one is 60 degree now. Poka. This is 60 degree. So read the question one more time. A straight highway. We'll read the question one more time. So the diagram is given as a tower. From the tower, the angle of depression. Okay, The man is seeing the car. The first one car is 60 degree and the second one is 30 degree. So they given you after 6 seconds. After 6 seconds, this one you have to find out. So after 6 seconds, the angle of depression is want to be 60 degree. Okay, 6 seconds after purchase. Speed equal to distance by time. If you cross multiply, distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, va? So if the first one, the time எவ்வளோ 6 seconds. 6 seconds நமக்கு தெரியும். Speed நமக்கு தெரியாது. The distance equal to speed into time. Speed உடைய value தெரியாது, time தெரியும். But இங்க after 6 seconds நமக்கு ரெண்டுமே தெரியாது. Speedும் தெரியாது, timeும் தெரியாது. Please be very careful that in this we know that distance very clearly. We know that distance equal to this one, okay va? Speed equal distance equal speed in time. Here we know the time is 6 seconds, but speed we don't know. But here we both the things we don't know. Now case 1, case 2. Case 1 which triangle and case 2 which triangle. So case 1 I will take a triangle. So in triangle ABC. So case 1 in triangle ABC. So in both the triangles, triangles we know that 6x, this is xt. I have given it already given the explanations. Okay. So in triangle ABC, let me draw the diagram. This is said to be A and B C. This is said to be st, and the angle is 60 degree. Speed, time, and in case 2, the bigger triangle. This is A. This is B. This is D. This one I marked as C. This angle is 30 degree. I know that 6s. This is st. Okay. Be very careful in that. So next one. So tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So tan, I get tan 60 equal to AB upon st. Tan 60 value root 3. So if you cross multiply, you get st root 3 equal to AB. Keep it as it is somewhere, it will be useful for you. The next one, again same thing. So tan 30 equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Adjacent side can be written as st plus 6x, because adjacent side is st plus 6x. Tan 30 value is 1 upon root 3 equal to AB value st root 3 upon st plus 6x. If you cross multiply, you will get xt plus 6x equal to root 3 3st. So 6x equal to 3st minus st. So 6x equal to 2st. SS cancel. 2 6 cancel. Therefore I got 3 seconds equal to t. There are many methods for this sum. One more time I explain to you. There is a tower. From the top of a tower, a boy or girl is seeing the car. One car is 60 degree, other is 30 degree. That is, after 6 seconds, the car angle of depression is 60 degree. So I given a 60 degree here. 6 seconds. Time is playing vital role. Speed equal distance by time. Therefore, distance equals speed into time. Therefore, here 6 seconds. We know the time, but speed we don't know. 6x. But in this case, we don't know. We doesn't know anything. So s into t. Now there are two triangles. As usual, same thing. One triangle I have taken. I got AB value. Other triangle I got opposite by adjacent side. In that AB, I am applying the AB equal to st root 3. I am applying here, cross multiplying. Then I got 3. So time, t for time. So after 3 seconds, the next one that after 3 seconds is meeting the distance between the two cars. Now, so I complete the chapter. Now I'll move on to the example, some introduction. Next, board questions. What are the questions you should be thorough with R.S. Agrawal or R.D. Sharma, whatever. So example number 1. So a tower stands vertically on the ground from the point on the ground, which is 15 meters away from the foot of a tower. Angle of elevation. So given you very clearly. So example sums. Example number 1. I'll give you a small introduction. Okay. So this is AB is a tower. So this is height of a tower. So they given you between 15 meter, this is 60 degree. They are asking you find the height of a tower. So opposite side they are asking you. So SOHCAHTOA tower, which one I have to use? Sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse only, but tan theta. So mostly tan theta is using tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. That is AB upon 15. Theta value you know that tan 60 equal to AB upon 15. Tan 60 value root 3 equal to AB upon 15. If we cross multiply, 15 root 3 meter equal to AB. So first example. Second example. All the examples I will draw the diagram, then I will give you the introductions. Okay, it will be easy for you to proceed on your own because 16 sums are given you. Now example sums I'll give you the introduction, then it will be easy for you to consider on your own. Okay, example number 2. Example number 2, what they given, an electrician has to repair an electric fault on a pole, or electrician repair. So height of the pole is 5 meters. She needs to reach the point 1.3 meter below the top of a pole to undertake the repair work. Okay, wow. So 1.3 meter below the top of a pole she has to repair the work. What should be the length of the ladder? That she should use the angle in the 3 degree கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. She should be very careful in that. So the first one, the second example, the pole, total pole height. So total pole A, B, length of the pole. Length of the pole எவ்வளவு கொஸ்டின்ல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? 8 meter. Pole ஓட மொத்த height எவ்வளவு? 5 meter. அதிலிருந்து below the pole. Okay va? And the pole she needs to reach the point 1.3 meter below top of a pole. So மேல இருந்து ஒரு 1.3 meter, ஓகேவா, 1.3 meter இறங்கி வந்து இந்த இடத்துல தான் there is a repair. ஓகே, இந்த இடத்துல ரிப்பேர் இருக்கு, அங்கதான் லேடர் போடுறாங்க. ஸோ இது ஏ, இது சி, இது டி, இது லேடர். நெக்ஸ்ட், வாட் இஸ் த லென்த் ஆஃப் லேடர் கேட்கறாங்க. இன்க்ளைன் ஆங்கிள் 60 டிகிரி. ஸோ இந்த இடத்துல 60 டிகிரி கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. √3க்கு பதிலாக யூ கேன் அப்ளை √3 ஈக்குவல் டு 1.7 மீட்டர் நம்ம போட்டுக்கலாம். ஸோ அப்போ முதல்ல நம்மளுக்கு இந்த சிடி வேல்யூ எவ்வளோ வரும்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு தென் இட் வில் பி ஈஸி ஃபார் யூ. சிடி வேல்யூ எவ்வளோ வரும்? டோட்டல் 5, அதில் 1.3 ஏற்கனவே போயிடுச்சு. அப்போ நான் 5 minus 1.3 எவ்வளோ வரும்? 3.7 மீட்டரு. இப்போ இந்த ட்ரையாங்கிள் மட்டும் யூ கேன் டேக் திஸ் ட்ரையாங்கிள், ஆப்போசிட் சைட், adjacent side, hypotenuse. நம்மளுக்கு ஆப்போசிட் சைட் தெரியும், hypotenuse வேணும். அப்போ sin theta யூஸ் பண்ணி you can find out the value. முடிஞ்சா? தேர்ட் எக்ஸாம்பிள், செகண்ட் எக்ஸாம்பிள் முடிஞ்சு. தேர்ட் எக்ஸாம்பிள், so you can use it as sin theta value into கொடுத்துருவேன் நான். Third example, an observer 1.5 meter tall is 28.5 meter away from the chimney. Chimney, you know that in your house everybody house they're keeping top. Therefore the angle of elevation of the top of a chimney from ice is 45 degree. So 45 degree இருக்கு. Boy and observer 1.5 meter tall is 28.5 meter away from the chimney. So அப்போ என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பண்ணது என்னது? ஸோ ஒரு பாய், ஓகேவா, ஒரு பாய், அந்த பாயோட ஹைட் வந்து 1.5 மீட்டர் ஹைட்டு. இங்கே வந்து ஒரு சிம்னி இங்கே நல்லா பார்த்துக்க. இந்த பிட்வீன் 28.5 மீட்டர். ஆங்கிள் ஆஃப் எலிவேஷன் கீழேருந்து மேலே பார்க்குறாப்புல 45 மீட்டர். ஃபைண்ட் த ஹைட் ஆஃப் எ சிம்னி. ஸோ இங்கே தான் இருக்குது சிம்னி. சிம்னிக்கு சீன் வச்சுக்கிறேன். இது ஏ, இது பி, இதுதான் ஹைட் ஆஃப் எ சிம்னி கேட்குறாங்க. ஹைட் ஆஃப் எ சிம்னி இங்கிருந்தா இருக்கும் இல்லையே, ஃப்ரம் த கிரவுண்ட் லெவல் தான் ஹைட் ஆஃப் எ சிம்னி. ஆனால் இது 1.5, நான் கண்டிப்பாக திஸ் ஆல்சோ 1.5 மீட்டர். ஸோ இப்போ எனக்கு ஆங்கிள் தெரியும், 45 டிகிரி தெரியும், adjacent side is given, opposite value. So tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent side. So அப்போ என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணலாம்? tan theta யூஸ் பண்ணி opposite value find out. ஓகேவா? opposite value கண்டுபிடிச்சினா height of a chimney என்ன பண்ணலாம்? suppose if we get 100 na 100 plus 1.5. suppose if we get 28 na 28 plus 1.5 அந்த மாதிரி போட்டுக்கலாம். So tan theta யூஸ் பண்ணிக்க. Then fourth example. So how many examples are there in your textbook? So there are 5 examples, 6 examples. Very good. No, 7 examples. Okay, 7 examples are there. I'll give you hint for the few examples alone. Remaining you can do on your own. Okay, example number 3 I completed. Example number 4. From a point in the ground, the angle of elevation of a top of 10 meter tall building is 30 degree. Building. The flag is hoisted at the top of a building and the angle of elevation is 45 degree. Find the length of this flag staff. So top of a 10 meter tall building. So you should be very careful that there is a building. A, B, there is a building. From the building, they are hoisting a flag. Okay, angle of elevation to the top of a 10 meter tall building from the point P ground. Okay, point P ground இருந்து building உடைய டாப்பை பார்க்குறாங்க. இது building உடைய height என்னது 10 மீட்டர் டாப்பு, எலிவேஷன் 30 டிகிரி. சூப்பர். அப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இந்த ட்ரையாங்கிள் பாரு, ஆப்போசிட் சைடு இருக்குது, அட்ஜசன்ட் சைடு வேணும், அப்போ tan theta யூஸ் பண்ணி கண்டுபிடிச்சிருங்க. வெரி குட். ஃப்ரம் த சேம் பாயிண்ட் த ஆங்கிள் ஆஃப் எலிவேஷன் அப்போ டாப் ஆஃப் ஃபிளாக் ஸ்டாஃப், அதே பாயிண்ட் வந்து ஃபிளாக் டாப்பை பார்க்குறாங்க, அதோட ஆங்கிள் எவ்வளவு 45 டிகிரி. இப்போ இதோட ஹைட் தான் கொஸ்டின்ல கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ ஏபிபி இதை வந்து சின்னு வச்சுக்க. So this side if you know na, then you can use it. CBP triangle la opposite side by adjacent side உங்களுக்கு ஏற்கனவே தெரியும், opposite side ஈஸியா சொல்லிடலாம். For example number 4 முடிச்சிட்டேன். Example number 5. A shadow of a tower standing on the level ground is 40 to B. So fifth example, a shadow of a tower standing on the level ground is found to be 40 meters longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degree. Okay, the shadow of a tower standing on the level ground is found to be 40 meters longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degree. Then when it is 60 degree. Okay, then அதாவது 30 degree இருக்கும்போது 40 meter ஆக்கு, அதுக்கப்புறம் இருக்கும்போது 60 degree ஆக்கும்போது what is the height of a tower? So அப்ப example number 5 வந்து கொஞ்சம் வித்தியாசமா இருக்கு. First ஒரு angle, the shadow of a tower. ஒரு டவர் இருக்கு, ஏபின்றது ஒரு டவர், அதனுடைய ஷேடோ standing on the level ground, ground found to be 40 meters longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degree. அப்புறம் பெருசு. ஸோ 30 டிகிரி இருக்கும்போது 40 மீட்டரா இருக்கு. ஓகே, லாங்கர் தேன் when 60 டிகிரி 60 டிகிரி போகும்போது நம்மளுக்கு தெரியல. Okay, find the height of a tower. So this is said to be, they have given you height of a tower. So as usual, இது வந்து என்ன டிகிரி சொன்னாங்க 60 டிகிரி. So first என்ன கேஸ் எடுப்பானே, first A ஈஸியா இருந்து எடுத்துக்க, ABD இந்த ட்ரையாங்கிள் எடுத்துக்க, ஆப்போசிட் சைடு அது ரெண்டுமே தெரியாது. வெரி குட். So opposite side AB by BC equal tan 60 √3 cos மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி வச்சுக்க. Next go for the bigger triangle, opposite side AB by CD, அதுல 40 plus போட்டுக்கலாம். Then tan 30 value will get an easy value. Okay va, கரெக்ட்டா பாத்துக்கங்க. Example number 6. Example number 6. The angle of depression. So the angle of depression of a top and the bottom of a 8 meter tall building. 8 meter tall building. அதனால tall building கரெக்ட்டா பாத்துக்கங்க. Okay va. So the angle of depression of the top and the bottom of a building from a multi-story building are 30 degree and 45 degree. அதாவது example number 6. Okay, ஒரு பெரிய பில்டிங் இருக்கு, மல்டி-ஸ்டோரி பில்டிங். So மல்டி-ஸ்டோரி பில்டிங், இதுக்கு பேரு AB க்கு பேரு மல்டி-ஸ்டோரி பில்டிங். CDன்றது பேரு ஒரு சின்ன பில்டிங், அதோட ஹைட் வந்து 8 மீட்டர் கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, ஸ்மால் பில்டிங். ஓகே, இது பிட்வீன் them. அடுத்தது angle of depression, ரெண்டுமே from the எங்க கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, angle of depression of top and the bottom of 8 meter tall building from the top of it. அப்ப இங்க இருந்து தான் from the top of தான் இங்க தான் பாக்குறாங்க. அப்ப இங்க இருந்து தான் லைன் ஆஃப் சைட் வருது, angle of depression. ஓகே, angle of depression of top and the bottom. அப்பனா டாப்பையும் பாக்குறாங்க, இந்த பில்டிங்கோட டாப் பாக்குறாங்க, அந்த பில்டிங்கோட பாட்டமையும் பாக்குறாங்க. ஸோ இதுக்கு என்ன டிகிரி அவங்க கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, ஒன்னுக்கு 30, இன்னொன்னுக்கு 45. அப்போ இது 30னா இங்கேயும் 30, this one is 45, this one is 45. Now there are two cases. இது 8 மீட்டர்னா கண்டிப்பா இந்த இதுவும் 8 மீட்டர் தான் இருக்கும். So first try to find out the 40 degree. ABD ல tan 45 equal to opposite side. இல்ல அது பெருசா இருக்கா விட்டுரு. Go for the smaller one. Tan 30. ஓகேவா? Opposite side by adjacent side. So அப்பனா tan 30 equal to AE by CE அப்படின்னு போடலாம். So use it any one. அது ஒன்னு பண்ணா கரெக்டா இருக்கும். Bigger one போனா என்ன வரும்? tan 45 equal to AB by BD. அப்பனா AB equal to BD ன்னு வரும். AB ஈஸியா போடலாம். அடுத்தது you can go for smaller triangle opposite by CE. ஓகேவா, அதையும் ஈஸியா பண்ணலாம். அதர்வைஸ் you have to do. கொஞ்சம் அதை பார்த்துக்குங்க. diagram I given you idea, you have to do the sum. Okay, wow. So example number 7 you can do on your own. So the entire chapter I completed with a small hint of 6 examples. Remaining you can do. You can and you will practice is the only way you can do better.